place matters. The legacy table at the Cedars is a place to discuss the big stuff and connect the dots in new ways. Sitting around the legacy table, it's designed so you're inspired by the sights, sounds, and stories of nature. We draw on the big stories of lifetimes across generations, for new perspectives exploring important questions and encouraging those who gather around the legacy table to share their own stories. We gather around the legacy table to connect and share, learn and create, challenge and reflect. We come to the legacy table because our hunger brings us here.